Good. Good. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Good. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Everything is working correctly. I should be streaming. But for now, I'm just streaming for myself as I can find when I want to watch. One project file. Right, that's not good. Let's see here. Project file. Yes. Yeah, it's not the idea. Yeah, thank you. Config. .html tools, no, VS Code, content, okay. I think it's this one. No, it's not this one. Here we go. So we need to remove this one. Let's try this. Maybe it doesn't work. Come on, Microsoft. Come on. Restore, yeah, we know. Yeah, you're taking forever. No. Yeah, okay, is it restored already? 2 seconds. Nothing's happening. Why? Okay, .NET. Ah, works. There we go. You can see that if you can see MonoGame window, everything is taking forever. It works. Now the question is, how does this thing actually work? An entity component system. There's not a lot of the tutorials on this. Let's see. Can we put this in dark mode? Yeah. Let's see here. We have a component store. We have an entity. Let's see this. Okay. Can't. So we'll just put this component. Why is this not? Component store. Just sparse it. The view. This is all from Brian 31's simple PCAs. Well, it's pretty simple, but maybe I'm too simple minded to even get the simple one. So the component store. Interface component store type, and actually this is where everything is registered. Just can you like move things here? Select this. See, paint isn't as advanced as I expected. But it's not. It's paint. What did I expect? So it seems the component store is to access just this. Yeah. Text box. Access, create, and delete. Now, next up is an entity. What is an entity? In this case, there's an ID. Let's create a new entity with it. And it's get hash code. I assume. I'm not sure about this one. Let's check it out. Let's it's buttons. Okay. Let's just check out get hash code Microsoft. Let's check what it means. Oh, what's this? What? Oh, it's hash code. See here. It's a fingerprint. What's it useful for? You can use this fingerprint to identify. Okay. Let's go to fingerprints. Change this condition. Okay. Hash hash code identifies. Since most hash algorithms can give same output for different types of input, it's not necessarily the same object, but it will uniquely usually identify objects. Maybe in the case of C# it uses memory addresses is almost guaranteed to identify the same object. For now, I don't know how that will be used for, but it's not the purpose of the entity component system. The purpose of the entity component system, in this case, my case, is to simplify development by creating components for these things. So I don't have to figure out another way, object-oriented way, that I don't like to do it. Let's see here. Let's put this in. Now I can draw. Let's see, does this work? Yeah, there we go. Still not doing that right now. So we can actually draw lines. That's what I would like to do. Why doesn't this feel like to select paint? Come on. Come on. Screenshot. Properties. Paint. Yeah, that's what we go. Trying to figure out how the entity component systems, different components, different parts, not components in this case, relate to each other. Just move this here. This one. That here. Separate everything so we can have a nice, clear way of doing this. Okay. A group. Let's check what a group is. Okay, it contains a registry. It contains group data. Seems the registry is the most important part of the entity component system. Yeah, that's like 131 lines of code. No one knows why. No, somebody knows why, just I don't. Let's check if the sound is working part of the entity component system. Yeah, that's like 130. Back to paint and Google group. This is group now. We're looking at group entity system. What does it mean? Crash course. Entity component system entity. Yeah, they are great at explaining this. A way to iterate over multiple components at once to offer a faster alternative to multi-type views. Components overcome the performance of the other tools by level what's required to get the ownership of components. This sets constraints on their purpose. So basically, select, we want text. Come on, text. Need to access multiple same day. Let's make it myself here. Okay. Now let's see. Maybe let's go also stages. I think what's its name? Prime did use this for inspiration. So everything is based from it. That means it's easier because you can just read the documentation. Yeah. And it's bad installed. So we go right here. And we say paint. Let's say all the files. Allow exist. And edit. What's this? Intermediate way to add to interact with components. Okay. Entity. Let's see, where's this thing used? I don't know why this code won't support this. Not installed something. Probably. It's just install support for this. Otherwise, it's gonna be a long day. Good old VS Code. Lightweight, they said. Lightweight. I have to quote them with that. Anyway. Entity. ID that shows which component which just it's not technically a object anymore. Simultaneously. Just help myself with my bad English. Component traits. No, I'm looking for registry. Registry. There's a lot to do with registry. Maybe I should just use entity and give up. But no, you want to do it DIY style. You won't do it DIY style. The registry, entity, and the component. Yeah, that's what we want. Registry stores and manages entities and components. Ah, that's the difference. Component stores just for components, but the registry. Just put this in my notes. Put this in here. Registry is used to manage entities and components together. Now check what is a view. View entity. View. So here, all this you can just find this on GitHub. So, using this okay. We'll just add notes. find it later on. Just save this. Hope this is save this in documents, of course. ECS notes. Yeah. Okay. View. What is a view? View. Word storage. Views and groups. Single dot view, single dot. Okay. I don't even know what a view is. So restricted to performance. That is around groups. This is what's the difference between a group and a group? See. You just said groups. Multiple components at once. Ah, that's it. Okay, so it's two different ones. What it is. That's why I was so confused. Because they're the same thing, just implemented differently. Same purpose, at least. Yeah, it's this in here. Do not use groups. That wasn't my mistake. Just put this and this together. Now the last thing is we not actually think I understand it. Training for the right. Media data types. What can we call this? Let's see. What do they call? They're called collections. A collection of strongly typed objects in the list. So we can just say that this is a collection using two this important. It's allows sparsings. Missing, it's not missing, empty spaces. We increase. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see what good old Prime did in this implementation. Let's see, maybe enumerate. Ah, so you can look through it. Okay. Let's try. Crash course. Let's close this down. That's good. Game eats entities. we will define the entity. Okay, get this size. Now, what will it call to create an entity? Let's see. Use. I assume it will create components first. Let's see here. Entity, create an entity with a value, get an entity, remove an entity. Okay. Again, let me just this way. This I think this is just like system, isn't it? Let's see what good old Skype Jack says. I think it's Skype Jack, or is it Skype Jack? We will never know. Maybe if I Google it, for now, they call me a reactive system. Okay. You just see store it. Destroy function, yeah, insert, replace batch, observe changes. Search systems. DCs. It's not really required to announce many requirements and components. What is a system? Signals on the basic. Okay. Component store. Thank you. And component store. No, do not have component stores. So what is the systems part? I didn't pick them. Entity type implements the concept of entity identifier. An entity, the E of ECS, is an opaque element to use as is. Okay. Inspecting isn't recommended since its format can change in the future. Components, the C of ECS, are of any type of out-in constraints, not even that of being movable. No need to register them nor the types. Systems, the S of ECS are plain functions, functors, lambdas, and so on. It's not required to announce them in any case, and have no requirements. The next section goes into detail out in ECS in the component system. Part of the HTML is okay. Much is not okay. Create first. Create object. I think in the case of the implementation like prime, you register components. The component stores contains remove contains entity. Component store student and remove entities. But this the registries isn't the registry exactly the same thing? Let's check here. Create data registry hash code. Component store components. C. So the component store will be used to create now. This will go either to the registry in both of these, go to registry. Okay. So now it's usage. Usage is a bit hard. Mm. Okay. Let's try creating it. So good old VS Code. Let's switch. Go to VS Code. Yes. Otherwise, it's useless. Try to figure out how it works. Okay. Let's just establish a basic thing here. Add a layer. Yes. Maybe I'll just restart Visual Studio so that I can use the newly installed C# extension. I hope it installed. Let's see, did it install? Come on, come on, come on, lightweight. IDE, you're supposed to be faster than this. This is why I like them. It loads immediately when they see like put junk, you know. But they install to C#. There we go. Soft XML of that one. Class. Okay. For the sake of everything, we will now just test it. Just this. There you go. Okay. We just need to test everything first before we actually implement something. So first we will create a little block position. Let's just call this hitbox. Just implement join code texture. Okay, I don't have a texture in here yet, but I can quickly go find one. We will use songs. What's this? Okay, we'll just use this into as showing I made exactly like 1 year ago. And this. Come on. Okay. See, I can't remember how to open this. Open with. Yeah. Let me just quickly check where the thing is stored. I'm not sure where the content manager is stored. respond. Doesn't help much. Content. Footies. Now I'm just going to use this to check. This is 100% CPU usage. I hope that is a lie. Here we go. mgcb editor. Open file location. Let's just copy the file path to this one. This slash down Visual Studio to open this with really and notebook. Just open this good mode. Source code editor. So we can see how it is done. Let's try this. Since I don't really know how to do this, we will just do this as we can. This texture block.png. Paste this in here. Come on. Okay, we'll just open it with File Editor, File Explorer. Just navigate to the good project. Compose. This is simple easy extract. Paste this into content, save it. There we go. Now we will need to add a texture. Some game content manager to the player so that we can draw it. This. Now we can just create a player in the game. And now I'm supposed to private player. Okay. Now we will say sparse texture. The check effects will need to draw. Batch and this one. texture and box with no issue. Why did we just choose this? Oh. CMGCB. That's what I should have thrown. Maybe it's gonna throw there because I don't know. Let's see. This works. It's taking forever. That's a good sign. And nothing happened. Okay, let's just remove this. Say this. Close it. And say MGCB editor. Yes, that's what I like. Wow. Oh, we don't even have a project here. Open. No. Wrong directory. Sources. Process. We are on simple message shop. Content. Here we go. Now we will add a new file. Add file will be this file, not a PNG. And now we will try to do this again. Update. Update. Everything should be in here. Update. Run. That's not good because nothing happened. Why? Tell me. Tell me. There's no errors. Everything's supposed to work perfectly. Oh, it succeeded. Oh, it succeeded, yeah. Okay. Can I try to run it through here? Maybe it's just fussy. Like this. Let's try this framework. Here we go. Let us open with okay, Firefox Explorer's not there. So we'll just navigate back to the good old repository. Source. Simple is says shop. And we will open debug.net and we'll run the thing. Because for some reason it doesn't actually want to run. Let's check this. What did I do? Program. Okay. It's failing to load. see. Okay, everything happened. Boat. No, already boat. Ah, there we go. And it crashed. Okay, I'll just open this in Visual Studio because this is irritating. It's not working. That's the reason I never like to use the command line for MonoGame. It's cool and everything, it helps you to actually learn how the command line works, but everything's cool when it's working. So I'll just open another IDE. Close everything. Come on, Visual Studio, we can do this. We can open it. Come on, big boy. Come on. Select startup item. Okay. Okay. Running again. Let's just errors. Now we can see draw was open. Ah, and that is why it didn't work. Because it was my stupidity. Welcome to programming in a nutshell. I think it's the command line, but it's you. Trust me, it is you. Workbench stop working. No arguments, because we don't need to do special. Int. Now let's run it again. There we go. Our little block. Just see if this thing can capture goods. Capture it. Okay, there we go. That's whipped. There's no errors this time. That's good. Now, I'll just ECS. Okay. This needs to use symbolization. Guess this is going to become now we have a new entity. And you know, with old game, we will have to create private component store. Let's say Sprite. And now we will need to create a new component. Create a new folder. Add new folder. Components. Wow. Sprite. Let's see, there's no implementation details. I'm not entirely sure. Oh my goodness, but it's fine. So here we have the max components. This assume that is the component, the actual component. First. Okay. So this creates a sprite right there. I don't know much. We'll try this, see if it works. Hey. See Visual Studio is bugging out. I'm just gonna restart it. Welcome. Welcome to the man who talks to himself project. Yes, I want to open a new project. It will be the same project as last time. Nothing. Okay, there we go. Has this thing been capturing my menu? I don't know. There we go. Okay. Back. Right, sprite. H. Sprite component will have the texture in it. And graphics. Otherwise we're going to use graphics such as pictures. And let's add another thing. Let's just use it right now. This one box. Now this one. Hey. Now it's really fine. Okay, back to the game. Yeah. Game. Sprites. Components. Max components need to just sync. Okay. Now let's stop that. Player. Let's just create a new sprite. Okay, then we don't need to create one yet. We can just do the hacky way. Although this isn't recommended. It's not like anyone really cares. Sprite. That's test if only need to test if this actually adds entity and if it actually draws it. See here. It's right. Creating a structure. There for this. Okay. There we go. And let's see. Let's see what is this. Do I do objects? That's the question. Contains remove action. First of add get entity ID. Nothing that's a problem. There's a bit of a problem. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe I'll need to registry first. See here. Registry. That's what it is. Component stores, it's components. Yeah. Activities, was data, activity. Yeah, I think if you want to update everything, no, I think, I don't know if this is the way to, I'm just gonna check out it on GitHub, see if there's any examples. Simple, easy, sharp. Prime 31 and Pan himself. Let's see what he did here. Shots. Use shots. All these components. And think like system timer. Okay, it's not the matter of tags. Okay. Does he creates a registry? And for each entity. Its components run on print the system. Haha. See, you want to accomplish anything, just read the actual docs. Don't try to figure it out on your own. Oops, sucks. Okay. Back to the drawing boards. Private registry. Now let's go back to its source code. How do we do this? We create this initialize, just say this initialize the registry, created registry. How many entities? Let's say 100, just for the sake of it. Since we already have data again, we will not create random entities. Component, what type? Okay, it's right component. This and that. That's a sprite of the player and that's the actual player. It should be separate. No, that sucks. Let me see. No, it's a strap. This guy likes his shots. Let's see if this works. Probably not. Yeah. Okay. Well, we will delete the player component. Player. And we will revert to the actual view of doing it. Sprite is equals sprite. Let's get that texture. Let's do the texture. What's the texture's name? It is block. Hitbox. Just put it at the origin. Make that. Okay. So we play it. Just okay. Yeah. Now what this guy does, this is the right way. I assume to do it. Since it is this library, probably is the right way. Just that. Sprites. This is a rather more pure way of doing it than I did. Which entity viewed? So yeah, that I don't like. This reference thing. But it is explicit and it's nice. Nice way of doing it. Viewed get. What is it? Let's just say each. This is it's right. I don't know if you even need to do it like this. I don't think can you do it like this. We'll see. Registry 8. It's a right environment and it will be player. We just it's about just refactoring everything so we can use the thing here. Oh wow, you can just do that. You don't need to do it otherwise. Okay. Let's say sprite bench dot draw. We will draw the texture and we will draw it in the hitbox and we will draw it with no fonts. Now let's check. Does this work? It will probably work because this guy showed it. Prime showed it. You should do it this way. It worked. Wonderful. That is wonderful. Let's just check if you need the reference. Yes, this is a class. I think C# is class by reference if you're using a class. Let's try something. Yes, it is working. So if you use a class, you don't necessarily you can do other ones, but I think as you can just access the data from the sprite, you'll find. Let's see here. Let me just check a few things. Okay. No. Not one. Okay. Okay, but this is correct. This is actually really correct. So now I can just implement some of this code myself and then have to struggle. Okay. First off, just get going onto the views. I'm just setting open game art. Yes, that's what we are looking for. We want tables. Or get. Oh, we just take this guy. Thank you to Games. Okay. To download this guy. Open connections. I haven't even done favorites. You just read open game articles from upload. So is it easier? Notice. Okay, I'm not gonna make it hefty at least. How do you download? Because I can just do this way. Ah, I see. We will use new code. Since it's a nice little guy. Let's copy this guy and we will put it in content. This comes from a art and it is from made by games. Now I can just build a little platform. No, add file. This save. Okay. Just change this. And upgrade. Upgrades people. Upgrade people. Upgrades. Okay. Now let's see. Just access source code and make sure I am following the intended usages. Yeah, okay. Can you include methods in structs? Let's see. That will be useful. That is, yeah. Maybe we'll just simply source. So we can draw a specific part of the texture. Yeah. Even okay, open this little fighter and we can see what the borders are of the one we will draw. How do you okay, so this is I don't know why I can't just zoom in mouse button. Okay, let's see. 1817, right? 1817. Don't do it like this, like I am. This is for demo purposes. 1817. How big is this big boy? Let's see. Isn't 1817? This is 29. So it's 10. So then, ignore my math. Now it's 31, so that's 14. 14. One second. Destination. So now we will draw this thing the picture in this rectangle, the seed box on this texture. There you go. But we will need to resize this, else it will not look good. Let's just put this right. Okay. Let's see. There is the little cat man. Okay. It's way too small, so to improve the fidelity, big words fidelity. To make it bigger, we will just use a virtual art. Let's see here, virtual art. Little bit in it. Since everything is pixels anyway, and virtual width. Don't want to change it. Let's say other common resolutions. Common resolutions. 720 pps. I think that would be a nice one. 720. Okay. That's 720. And also just apply some. Okay. And that. And let's see what my patch can do for us. Okay, it's bright. Sort. It will be it's no. And just make sure I'm doing this correctly. Just go to the okay. Docs. Documentation. Reference. Reference. Yeah, it's reference. Right patch. Graphics device. Let's see movements. Graphics device. I think it was graphics device. So that it's profile. No. And that's it for today. Thank you all. Especially myself, since I'm the guy here, for joining in. Have a great day.